Goa people, I love them. I do my own Botox, looking at myself.
We at DNCC, we cater according to the needs of the patient.
A person who is just earning 10, 15,000, he can also afford hair transplant. Because our treatment starts as 1,000 rupees.
नमस्कार आणि येवकार. एक वेळ आसलो जेन्ना चेडवांक बायलांक सुंदर दिसपाचो खूब यत्न करचो पडटालो. ते फेडूय वेगळें आसलें. आयज अशा युगान आमी आसा जितूर म्हाका दिसता चेडे दादले भुरग्यांकूय सुंदर दिसपाचें फेड आसा. ताका मागीर तुमी टॅक्नॉलॉजीक ब्लेम करा किंवा सोशल मिडियाक. बट हें जें फेड आसा ते तुमी कशें सस्टेन करतले बिकॉज जशें आमी एज करता तशी काहीशी आमकां लक्षणां दिसपाक मेळटा. वेदर इट इज हेअर फॉल म्हणा, स्कीन एजींग म्हणा किंवा वेगवेगळे जे आसा हें आमकां जाणवता. पण हें आमी ओवरकम कशें करपाचें आनी हाव कॅन वी रिमेन ब्युटिफूल फॉर एवर एंड एवर इज द क्वेश्चन that we are trying to answer in this particular program. माझ्या बरोबर जुळता ह्या स्टुडियोन very renowned guest on my studio, that is Dr. Nishita Seth, founder and director of Dr. Nishita's Cosmetic Clinic. तशीच जुळता माझ्या बरोबर डॉक्टर सोनिया वळवयकर जी आसा DNCC गोवाची डॉक्टर. बोथ ऑफ यू ladies, welcome. A lot of people might curse me saying that why did I open up in such a bad fashion, and having two ladies, beautiful ladies in the studio. So how do you see this scenario, more importantly, panning out in Goa or maybe this fad of having these filters, having the social media, trying to look beautiful and evergreen forever?
Thank you so much, Rohit, for having us here. So, there are when we've started back in 2004. I started my journey as a doctor in Bombay itself, and then 2009 we started our second center in Goa. And Goa people, I love them. They are treating us so well. So it was first when we started, we had only the tourist coming from outside, and we had only 4 to 5 months of seasonal patients and seasonal tourists coming in for the treatments from head to toe transformation. So when I say head to toe transformation, it starts from hair. So we do have hair treatments, we have non-surgical and surgical hair treatments. So we analyze every patient and then we do plan our treatments, like whether the person needs a non-surgical treatment or a surgical treatment. Then we come to the face. So I am a master of doing Botox, fillers, thread lifts and all. So from 2009 we've been getting, because foreigners or tourists used to come from their countries to get their treatment done here, because India is cheaper in doing all this Botox, fillers and threads. So we say, look young forever. And so I am a master doing that. I've done more than 1,000, Botox, fillers and threads. I do my own Botox, looking at myself in the mirror, and I inject myself.
Oh,
So
that's nice.
that is one thing. Then we do vampire facelift, we do PRP facelift, we do laser hair reduction. So if Dr. Sonia is there, she will tell you about how laser reduction also helps in our Goan patients.
आय थिंक दोतोर सोनिया तुमकां आवर्जून विचारतलो की पयलीं एक सीझन आसतलो आमच्या गोंयांत, टुरिस्ट सीझन, की पावसान आमी बंद आसतले आनी ऑब्वियसली इट स्टार्ट्स मे बी ऑक्टोबरच्यान सुरू आनी परत मागीर मे जून म्हणटा सोंपतालो तो. तुमचे सुरवात जेन्ना जाली तशेंच सिजनलशे सुरवात जाली की टुरिस्ट वॉज युअर फोकस. ओवर अ कोर्स ऑफ टायम तुमी हो शिफ्ट कसो पळयता? म्हणजे आतां तर टुरिझम हे 24/7 365 डेज चलता गोंयांत.
Exactly.
तुमचे तसोच अप्रोच चेंज जाला आनी मोर इम्पॉर्टंट, आर यू फोकसिंग ऑन टुरिस्ट or आर यू फोकसिंग ऑन गोवा?
No, not at all. It's been already more than 5 years to me in this. आणि practically जर पळोवपाक गेले, I have seen more of localites rather than the tourist. Of course, जेन्ना season time येता तेन्ना tourist
Yeah, of
असतात.
course.
But specifically कितें करता, we at DNCC, we cater according to the needs of the patient.
Yes.
लुकिंग इन टू हेअर म्हणा किंवा स्किन म्हणा. आतांच्या हितून हांव जें पळयता, स्पेसिफिकली म्हाजे कडेन जेन्ना पेशंट येता तेन्ना इट इज विथ अ वायड अप्रोच.
Yes.
की इट इज नॉट ओनली की आपल्याक हेराचो इश्यू आसा पण जेन्ना माझे कडेन हेराचो इश्यू येता दॅट टायम आय टार्गेट इवन द स्किन इश्यूज सो पीपल आर ग्रेटफुल की एकाच क्लिनिकान दे आर फायंडिंग ऑल द थिंग्स टुगेदर
Oh, that's nice.
So it is not only hair, it is not only skin, but it is also weight. It is also the non-surgical as well as surgical treatments.
Nice.
हितून आमचेकडे एकाच हितून व्हरायटीचे ऑप्शन्स मेळटले. If people are very scared of needles, then we have got other options wherein they don't have to get scared about anything. It may
just
be either
medicines.
Yeah, it's with the medicine or with the, even without surgery. So we do only with the needles or we do with the medicines. We are also coming up with our own skincare, which is my son is Siddharth Nigam, is in USA, and it is his dream. We are going to follow now, and he has started this skin lab in lab with Dr. Nishita.
Okay.
Where we are going to come up with the customized skincare to your doorstep.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
I think before we dwell into the other model that you're trying to do with your son, I just wanted to understand is, Botox, and other words that you said, I still, a little maybe
Fillers,
novice
yes.
into all this terms. But Botox, when we say a couple of years back, it used to be a big no-no.
Yes.
We can sometimes read some stories of the celebrities who have tried or who
Botox
are
and
trying,
gone
have not
wrong.
have gone wrong.
Very true.
Has the society shifted? What was the need to do that?
Yes.
And how? Because there are consequences also, and we've seen
course,
a lot
yes.
with respect to celebrity. Celebrity को हमको पता लगता है,
Right,
बाकी का
right.
we don't even know.
बराबर है.
So has it changed or has it
See,
acceptable now in the
Yes.
society?
So when it comes to the Botox or fillers or thread lift or anything, you need a perfect person to do your procedure because the doctor has to know the anatomy of all the muscles because here we are targeting the muscles. So when we know anatomy, so I just told you I do my own Botox because I know what muscles I'm targeting.
Correct.
I should not be injecting into the muscle where I don't want to relax. So Botox is a botulinum toxin which is going to relax the muscle. It is not like paralyzing your muscle. It
Okay.
is just relaxing your muscle. By relaxing the muscle, you're going to get a nice tight skin. You're going to get this wrinkles off for 3 to 6 months. Then again, we keep
Another
doing
set.
it. But it is, you need to know where to inject and where not to inject. So if
Correct.
you know that very well, it's done very nicely. In fact, Botox is one of my favorite procedure. I've been doing 19 years now.
Obviously, that confidence we can see because you said, I can do Botox for myself.
Yes.
Just looking at the mirror. Now, this is something which is quite a commendable feat. But, Dr. Sonia, आप Botoxाच्याच पुढे वरता because Goa is such a
Yes.
beautiful place, सुसेगाद, laid back.
Hi.
हे fed आणि towards Botox असा
असा
गोंयकारांमध्ये
अजून असा पळय प्रत्येक स्त्रीच म्हणना इवन द मेल्स
Of course.
They want to look beautiful.
There are
आणि
not two different
स्पेसिफिकली
things, correct?
वेन दे स्टार्ट एजिंग कमी वयान सुद्धा हांवें पळयल्ले आसा रायट आफ्टर दे क्रॉस 30s तांकां बारीक बारीक हांगा फायन लायन्स येवपाक लागले की डॉक्टर हेजेर कितें करूं शकता सो अल्टिमेटली जेन्ना आमी तांकां व्यवस्थित एक्सप्लेन करता वी मेक देम क्लियर की वाय बोटॉक्स इज यूज्ड वॉट आर द इंडिकेशन्स ताजे सायड इफेक्ट्स बीन कांयच आसना बट इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू दॅट नॅचरल ब्युटी पीपल गेट कन्विन्स्ड आणि आदल्या जमान्यान कितें आशिल्लें बोटॉक्स म्हणजे एक व्हडलें हे तितून डेफिनेटली कितें तरी सायड इफेक्ट्स आसतले चेहऱ्याचो डिसफिगरमेंट जातलो पण अशें कांयच ना
Okay.
Also coming to the cost. So the cost of Botox previously was very high.
Now it has
And
come
now it has come down. So it is
because of the acceptability maybe with the
correct.
people.
So it is, if I tell you, it is less than even very expensive facials many a
Oh.
times. So, and then when once it is done, you are glowing for 4 to 6 months. You don't really need to do so many facials and all that.
Okay. We have been mentioning that under your clinic you have surgical, non-surgical. we spoke a little on Botox, जहाँ पे you said it is injection.
Yes.
So I am considering कि one, if I come with a hair fall or some wrinkles, one approach is just to understand, analyze, decode the patient, and approach with respect to how best you can treat him with medicine. After that, the second phase would be trying to do maybe injecting and stuff like that. And third would be your surgeries.
Yes.
Now, can you just break me down into how these approaches are done with respect to skin care or with
the
respect to
hair
hair?
Yes, so the hair. So now hair, we divide it into three things. One is a surgical hair transplant. Another one is a non-surgical, where we have PRP, GFC, stem cell, all mesotherapy and all that treatments. And third is only just the medications. US FDA approved medicines, which is like, if you come to me, I would just go into detail analysis of your hair fall, like how many hair per day you're losing. There are two types of hair loss. It's not just we are going to go to hair transplant. So if you have only less than 100 hair fall per day, it is normal. It's physiological.
One question, how do you count those hair fall per day, 100?
So definitely. So when I ask them roughly, you see when you're combing your hair, you will see how many hairs roughly. See, it's not going to be an exact count. Then when you're shampooing and all, you see. So patients are very well, oriented. Ki, okay, doctor, I'm losing more than 150 hair per day. Then then we have to start with the medication first, and with 3 to 6 months, when we see they're really doing very well, you don't need to go to the surgical one.
Correct.
Yeah, so if it is only hair fall, we control it with the medicine. Then we control if there is a thinning. According to, with the hair loss, there is a thinning also. Then we give them some non-surgical treatment like GFC treatment or stem cell treatment or PRP or whatever. After that, if there is a real, baldness, and then there is nothing we can do but the hair transplant.
Okay, that's the last resort that you end up doing it.
Yes.
But I also have, just to ask you a question, this transplant, earlier it used to be a very expensive affair.
Yes, true.
Has it come down?
Yes,
or has
that is also come down. Also, we have fantastic, EMI systems. So even a person who is just earning 10,000-15,000, he can also afford hair transplant now.
Okay.
Previously, it was going into 3-4 lakh like
Lakhs,
that.
right.
But now even we have hair transplant starting at 75,000, which means 7,500 per month into 10 months EMI. So there are companies which we have tie up with, so they give the loan
So they give, you
0%.
can afford the
Affordability is actually there.
Okay. Dr. Sonia, तुमका एक प्रश्न आणि ऑब्वियसली हांव तुका विचारता बिकॉज गोवा क्लायमेट, गोवा वेदर, आमकां गोंयकारांचो डायट, आमकां खावपाक आवडटा, नुस्त्या शिवाय आमकां जगपाक जायना, शीतकडी तर आमकां गरजेची, आणि ऑब्वियसली दोतोर दिशिता कॅन एड इन टू दॅट. How is this climate, helping us or maybe hampering our skin? Whether it is बाकीचे states पहिले, आम्ही interior states पहिले किंवा वेगळे states पहिले, is this climate different than others, and is it hampering our lifestyle, our day-to-day affairs?
Definitely. पळयात, this is basically a coastal area.
Yes.
हांगा उन्हाची प्रखरता एकदम चड आसा, ताच्या लागून ल्हान ते ल्हान भुरगे सुद्दां हांवें घेतले जाल्यार टॅन रोखडे जाता. वी एज फिमेल्स, मेल्स, आमी भायर सुद्दां गेली एक क्षणाक सुद्दां, देन वी लँड अप इनटू गेटिंग टॅन्ड. हितून there is another condition which comes is melasma. This is the most common condition. हे हांव येता वता सगळ्यांकूच पळयता, and not only females, males are also suffering. तर हे रायट टायमार जर आमी टार्गेट केले जाल्यारूच हितून क्युअर म्हणना हांव, but it is to be treated. It is to be maintained. मॅक्झिमम टायम अशें जाता की लोक बऱ्याच डॉक्टरांकडे मेडिकेशन घेता, दे आर प्रिस्क्रायब स्टेरॉयडल मेडिकेशन. हितून कितें जाता, कात पातळ जायत वता. कात पातळ जाली की हांगा एनवायरमेंटल फॅक्टर्स स्टार्ट अफेक्टिंग. UV रेज जितकी पेनेट्रेट जातली, स्किन सेन्सिटिव्हिटी वाडटली, दॅट विल लीड टू वर्सनिंग ऑफ द कंडिशन्स. सेम थिंग अप्लायज टू द हेअर ऑल्सो. आता हितून ह्युमिडिटी खूप आसा, if the climate is getting more and more humidity वर्सन जर जाता से पावसाच्या टायमार
हय.
किंवा विंटरच्या टायमार तर ह्या टायमार देर इज अ बिट डिफरन्सीस जशें हांवें तुमकां म्हटलें विंटरच्या टायमार देर इज मोर ड्रायनेस लोक जर व्यवस्थित आपली काळजी घेना इट विल लीड टू मोर ड्रायनेस मोर ब्रिटलनेस स्कॅल्प फ्लेकी जातलो इट विल लीड टू मोर हेअर लॉस सेम थिंग अप्लायज इन रेनी सीझन मोर मॉइश्चर देर इज मोर चान्सेस ऑफ फंगस गेटिंग accumulated that will lead to more hair loss.
Okay. Ma'am, you visit once in a month
Yes.
and you overall supervise. There might be some cases जे तुम्ही identify करता आणि जे
Yes.
मॅडमीच्या नजरेखाला हाडटा आणि ती महिन्यातल्यान तांकां अपॉइंटमेंट दिवन ते क्लियर करता.
Yes.
What is your take on this climate, weather,
Yes.
and people visiting your clinic?
Definitely. So there is, as you know, the Goa sun is very harsh. So we have lot
We are a
of
sunny state, ma'am.
pigmentation. Yes. So we have lot of pigmentation patients coming in, and they've tried so many things, and then they've come to us. So Dr. Sonia accumulates all that kind of patients, and then I do the analysis again, and then we give them the solution. Also, there are so many new procedures we have in DNCC, which is actually in Goa. Maybe I don't know whether any other clinics are doing or not. So they are like HIFU, high intensity focus ultrasound, which is for skin tightening, non-surgical again.
Okay.
Which is also number one treatment done in USA. Second treatment, we are also getting cool lipo, which is also non-surgical weight loss programs. Cool sculpting also it is called. So there the obesity, the fat cells are frozen. And then it goes via your lymphatic drainage out of your body. So it's again a non-surgical. We also have liposuction, tummy tuck, breast implant, all that procedures. Now we are also launching, or we've already done, in fact myself, I have tried one treatment which is called Ozempic.
Ozempic.
Ozempic,
Okay.
which is the medicinal weight loss program. It is number one program in America, UK and everywhere. And that medicine is working fantastically with our non-surgical treatment. We do the inch loss and weight loss. In fact, I lost myself 15 kilos
Oh.
within just last 4 months. My husband lost 12 kilos, and I have so many patients who has already lost 10 kilos, 12 kilos, 15 kilos. We have started since last 4 months.
We also target the hormonal cases in the weight loss.
Correct.
Okay.
So we when they have PCOD or thyroid,
Correct.
then we correct the hormonal imbalance, and we correct those hormones also, and then combine everything. So it's nothing like we just do blindly. We do analysis of every single patient is analyzed and then given the treatment.
ओके दुसराक म्हाका प्रश्न विचारना की ऑब्वियसली ओबेसिटी आसा आमकां खावपाक आवडटा आमची आतां लायफस्टायलूय चेंज जाला तातूंत आमी चिप्स हें तें आनी लायफस्टायल चेंज जाल्ल्या कारणान केन्नाच्या केन्ना आमी कितेंय खाता आनी कितेंय जेयता सो ह्या कारणां खातीर तुमी गोंयांतूय पेशंट्स पळयल्यात वेदर इट इज पीसीओडी सारकी केस म्हणा किंवा जनरल जे ओबेसिटी जे मेल तुमचे कडेन येता हाऊ डू यू सी दिस लायफस्टायल चेंज आनी अप्रोच कसो आसा लोकांचो
मेन थिंग म्हणजे जेन्ना कोणूय पेशंट येता जो वेट लॉसा खातीर अप्रोच करता इट इज नॉट ओनली दॅट द ट्रीटमेंट इज गोइंग टू बी इफेक्टीव त्या हेका द पर्सन हॅज टू डू सम ऑर दी अदर लायफस्टायल चेंजीस द डायट इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ट्रीटमेंट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट मेडिकेशन इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट हितून तुमकां डिझायर्ड जो रिझल्ट जाय तो आमी तुमकां अचीव करून दिता बट फर्दर थिंग इज योर एफर्ट you have to maintain it.
Correct.
So it is both ways. There is doctor and patient.
Yes,
both of
100%.
them have to work together. And once we are done, I think it should continue.
Very true.
परत खावपाक लागल्यार
Very
मागीर कितें फायदो
No,
त्याला हे
it is
सोयरी
not
खातीर
very
पुरतें मर्यादीत केलें आनी ताच्या नंतर लग्न आसो पडप
ह्या कंडिशनान वी ऑल्सो हॅव ब्रायडल पॅकेजीस ऑल्सो
Okay.
देर आर पीपल हू वॉन्ट टू लुक व्हेरी स्लिम अँड थिन तर ह्या कंडिशनान आमी स्किनाचे पळयता वेटाचे पळयता लेजर हेअर रिडक्शन करता सो इट इज हेड टू टो ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन कम्प्लिटली
Yes.
and the end result you will be like a queen walking out from the clinic.
Wow.
Okay. I
And
can see
I have-
that confidence.
Yeah, I have done patient who is 65-year-old hair transplant, we have also done one patient who had a brain tumor, hair transplant, and his life is changed. So the mother came with a boy, and she said, "Doctor is, very depressed because he doesn't have hair here, and we've done his hair transplant. He's got fantastic hair." Even 65-year-old patient, we said we will be trying. We are not going to assure you, but even he is so very happy because life changes when you have hair. It is like you are completely a new transformed person. And we give one promise to every patient: until you get your hair back, we are with you. No clinic promises that, but we give them. So we give them, after surgery, we give them all these procedures non-surgical free.
So that's really nice to see. Ada, you've seen your journey. You started from Mumbai. Within a couple of years, you started Goa, and
Yes.
obviously you have been on a roller coaster ride. What is the count of clinic that you have across
We
India?
have, right now, we have 10 clinics.
So you had 10 clinics. So you started in 2004.
Yes.
So it's quite a commendable journey
Yes.
that
And
you
all
have.
on our own. No
Fantastic.
franchisee, nothing from the bank. It's all our own money, and we've invested, and we're running all 10 centers.
What is the plan for expansion in Goa? Whether you want to expand in terms of square footage in your existing
Yes.
unit, or whether you want to branch out within the state, or you want to get in a little more, state-of-the-art machinery.
Yes, so we are working on all three things. We've already started. When we started in Goa, we had only very small clinic. Now our clinic is almost 5 times bigger than what we've started. So we've expanded and very nice, well furnished. I invite you also to the
Definitely.
clinic. You don't require any treatment, but even then, just
That's so
come in.
kind of you to even say that.
Just come in for us. Just InstaGlow treatment, you'll love it.
No, definitely.
Okay.
I like to drop in, and also my viewers can always walk into your clinic just to try out
Perfect.
things.
We have a skin totally free consultation in all over all the treatments.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to give a piece of advice over here. Is most of them consider their hairs to be very, very important. But one thing they don't realize is that hair is so much precious. One hair losing every day. They wait until the area is completely bald.
Well,
Please don't do that.
That's
When the
true.
area can be treated non-surgically, please take the right step and walk in DNCC. We
Wow.
are there over here to
Help you.
service and help you.
Okay, I think Dr. Sonia rightly said, it's like, Adipasun, whether it is your mukhut, whether it
Yeah.
is your helmet, I think you've always been possessive of your hair.
Yes.
It's not just hair that you offer, it's also cosmetic
Yes.
and, skin
Yes.
care, also both surgical as well as non-surgical. So you have had a fantastic journey, otherwise also and in Goa. Ma'am, before you leave, you gave me a compliment. I'd like to say another thing is, what would be the mantra for looking good forever that you'd like to give to all my viewers watching?
Oh. So, again, as Dr. Sonia said, come to DNCC. It's not just for the treatment, we also give them advice completely free. So,
Okay.
health and hair and skin checkup camps going on every now and then. Just come in, have a analysis done by Dr. Sonia, and you don't have to do all the treatments with us. You can just take an advice, just follow our skin care or hair care and look good.
I think before you guys leave, आवर्जून जशें तांच्यांनी सांगलां ते एक भेट दिवपाक कांयच वायटपण ना. पळयात कशें कितें जाता तें. बरेचदा आमकां जशें तांणी म्हटलें की बोटॉक्स म्हटलें, म्हाज्याय मनान खुबश्यो गोश्टी आसल्यो की बोटॉक्स बरें वायट तुमच्याय मनान आसतल्यो. हेअर ट्रान्सप्लांट म्हणा किंवा बाकीचे सगळें म्हणा, ब्युटीक बरें दिसपा खातीर आमी एकदां आउट ऑफ द वे लिमीट क्रॉस करता, बट ती लिमीट आयज इज एक्सेप्टेबल टुडे इन आवर सोसायटी. अफोर्डेबिलिटी हॅपन्स टू बी द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. आणि तुम्ही जर सगळो इंटरव्यू पळयला जाल्यार तुमच्याच तकलेन आयला आसतलें की अरे बाबा हें आमकां जमतलें काय हें पयशाकारांचें. आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, affordability is one, whether any person who is my viewer watching now program can afford your treatment.
Yes.
Okay.
Everyone can afford the treatment.
Yeah.
Because our treatment starts as 1,000 rupees
Okay.
onwards.
And secondly, what I want to ask you is, you are coming up with a unique concept that is, no need to
Skincare
come
at-
to your,
skincare at
clinic.
doorstep.
Yeah. If you can spill a little beans before you, completely launch the program.
Yes, so it's the in lab with Dr. Nishita. So what the person has to do, the viewer has to just fill up the form online. we will be asking for 3 pictures of their face from front, from the side and this side, and then our dermatologist in house will be analyzing their skin, making customized skincare and ship it to the doorstep.
So this is completely online.
Completely online.
Okay.
Yes, you don't have to come to the clinic. It is going to be all over the world. We are going to launch everything.
सो आय थिंक कॉस्ट तांच्यांनी उलयलें क्लिनीक पणजेन आसा जर तुमकां तरी जर यू नो आळशापणां म्हणा किंवा आनीक कसले जर वेगळे रिजन मेळटा जाल्यार तांणी सांगलें की ऑनलायनूय आसा ते प्रयत्न करा तुमकां जर तेजें फळ मेळ्ळें जाल्यार डेफिनेटली देर इज अ लाँग टर्म रिलेशनशीप विथ DNCC. तांच्यांनी प्रवास 2004 सालांत सुरू केल्लो. गोंयचो प्रवास तांचो 2009 सालांतल्यान सुरू जाला. हे 2023 वर्स चलता. सो हो प्रवास तांच्यांनी पयला, लोकांनी बरेच बेनिफीट घेतल्या, गोंयकारांनी घेतल्या, इवन भायरचे जे कोण येतात ट्युरिस्ट ते घेता आनी आयज गोंयकारूय तितक्याच यू नो उमेदीन ते सर्विसीस घेता. मेळ्ळें जाल्यार ऑब्वियसली दोतोर सोनिया मॅनेजीस द गोवा युनिट अँड वन्स इन अ मंथ जे कितें स्पेशल केसीस आसा किंवा जाका सुपरविजन वेगळें जाय त्याच्या खातीर डॉक्टर निशिता तर डेफिनेटली हांगासर येता. आनी जशी ती म्हयन्यांतल्यान हांगा येता तर आमच्या स्टुडियोन तिणें भेट दिवची आनी तुमच्या बरोबर चर्चा करची. जणू काय ही जी कितें डिस्कशन आसा आनी हे जे बॅरियर जे आसा की इज लुकिंग ब्युटिफूल व्हेरी व्हेरी एक्सपेन्सिव्ह, let
Not
us
at all.
break that
Yes,
barrier.
true,
I would
true.
end this program on that note. Dr. Nishita and Dr. Sonia, तुम्ही वेळात वेळ काढून हांगासर आयले आणि डॉक्टर निशिता पर्सनली एज इन अ ट्रू गोवन वे आयड लायक टू से देव बरें करू तुम्ही हांगासर आयले, इतकी
so
महत्वाची
much.
माहिती दिली त्या खातीर खरेंच तुमचे आभार.
Thank you so much.
तुमकां जर ऑब्वियसली ब्युटिफूल दिसपाक जाय आणि फुडें जर अशेंच तुम्ही यू नो एव्हरग्रीन रावपाक जाय जाल्यार उदळच्यान आमी चर्चा केली, हांव वेगळें कांय सांगिना. तितक्या पर्यंत ही कार्यक्रम सोपयता हांव. तुम्ही पळयत रावात प्रुडंट.